Morning everyone. My name is Raghav Verma from class 7D. My roll number is 20 and my subject teacher is Shubrata Mukherjee. My topic is democracy. Democracy is the term derived from two Greek words, namely demos and kratos. Demos means the people and krata means the power. Thus, democracy means power of the people. Definition: in the words of Abraham Lincoln, democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Significance of the each letter for the word democracy. D stands for division of authority and power, dignity, and worth of the individual duty. Concession. E stands for equality, ethical values. M stands for mutual understanding. O stands for objective attitude, open mindedness. C stands for cooperation, classless society, mass education. Content. R stands for rational thinking. A stands for appreciation of the other's culture and adult education. C stands for caring and concern of others, constructive and creative attitude. Y stands for yearning for life and walking. Democracy and education in India. This is the great democracy can succeed only when all citizens are educated and they have equal opportunities for getting education. Free and compulsory education for all age group 6 to 14. The government is making efforts for this through 5-year plans. The government has to open number of primary schools and expand the universities. Education is being provided for different abled children as deaf, dumb, blind and other children. Content: a broad educational program for adult education is being executed. Government undertaken the massive task of eradicating illiteracy. Obstacles of democracy: customs, communication, regionalism, linguicism, social inequality, poverty, ignorance, corruption, immorality, etc. It is a making effort to see that the intellectual development of the people is affected so that they understand their right and duties and use their vote properly and carry out their responsibilities. Democracy. Democracy, education. Education enables the individual to understand his rights and duties. Education develops the qualities of brotherhood, appreciation of others' point of view, etc. Qualities essential for the success functioning of the democracy. Education develops dignity of labor and a sense of personal value. Education helps to evaluate the policies and programs of political parties. Education helps to evaluate the merits and demerits of candidate contesting elections. Education helps to prevent exploitation. Now I will move to my next slide. Significant implications of democracy in the education. Education is essential to a citizen to work as a voter and legislature, and legislature. Education is essential to a citizen to understand and discern intelligently and the programs of political parties. Education is necessary to enable the citizens to prepare themselves for securing the means of livelihood, without which a democracy is meaningless. Education is essential to develop such attitudes, skills, and knowledge which enable